Hello friend, this is our asparagus. It's actually come from the bird. It's gifted by the bird. Actually, I'm a little worried this year because I transplanted my grafted apple tree from the front yard to backyard. When digging the hole, we damaged some root of the asparagus. Yeah, they come back. They're actually very strong. Yes, and tiny little ones coming here. Got more here. Very beautiful ones. Yeah. Thank you, little birds, for the gift. Thank you very much for watching. Happy gardening.